Hi, it's Rich, TGITF. Yes, sir. Thank God it's Tyco Friday, or Corvette Friday, whichever you prefer. Yeah, we're gonna do this Corvette right here. I think this is Generation 5. I don't know. I don't know my Corvettes, but I'll bring it around here and we'll check it out. Yeah, it's molded in yellow. It's a Mattel. If you can't tell, it's a Mattel. And your Mattel can't tell. Yeah, number 5. It's got a blue stripe and it's got the red Chevy bow tie, I guess. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be. It looks kind of like a bow tie. I don't know. And that's about all the decorations. That's Goodyear and crane cams. Yeah. And we will put it on a dyno. I don't need that. Sounds like it has to break in. It just might have to. We'll get the book. We'll look her up in a book while she's breaking in. Yeah, hasn't been running a long time or whatever the deal is. And here she is. And move the mouse over so I don't hit it with this book. There she is, number 5. It's in the back of the book, page 62. Yeah. It is number 11. And number 11 is 79 Corvette. They built those to 81. So I don't think 79 was the first year. 11 set only, 97. Yellow, blue, number 5, no mirrors, 6693. I'm trying to look real quick here. I don't see no other 6693. 6693 right here, set only, blue, white, lime, green with flames, Porsche Carrera, number 6. So that's the car that it came with right there. Came with that Porsche right there. 6693. So yeah, 1997 you could get a set and it would come with this Corvette and this Carrera. Yeah, it's running 350. It started out 250, but yeah, it broke in. It's running 350. That's not too bad. I'm going to take it off and I'm going to oil it up and let it break in while we're running. Yeah, looks like it was. I bought it from someone and they had it as a set car. You can see the mark they put there. Not as a set car, but as a car in their collection. I'll put some Novus on this and shine it up a little more than it already is. Guess it needs the body on it to do 350. 350. Guess that's all we're going to get out of it. 354. $55. All right. All right. We'll take this bad boy over to the track, and yeah, it's running well over 0.60, 0.85. We'll take her over to the track, and we'll take her for a test drive. Yeah, I'm back after about a half hour, but I got my new new old LS3 controller on here. This thing's a rocket. Runs real nice, real well, handles well. And you hit it, she goes. Yeah, she goes like a 350 car, narrow pan chassis. Yeah, there you have it, 79 Corvette. Made by Mattel, molded in color, number 5. I think that's right around her, the Chevrolet bow tie, I guess. Yeah. That way. Yeah. I guess. Purple stripe. Blue. Blue is purple. You get dark blue like that, it's pretty much purple. Yeah. Yep. Yes, sir. Hope you like this car. It is a narrow pan chassis. It does have a heat shield on it. It is pretty darn clean. I didn't take it off because it's really clean. And yeah, it won't come off anyway. There it goes. But yeah, it's pretty darn clean. We cleaned it up a little bit, I guess, and put it back on. But it's yeah, pretty darn clean, like I said. Car runs great. Car runs great. Hope you guys like that. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. You'll be watching this tomorrow. And hope you guys liked it. I should be going live tonight, Friday night. I got my live posted. I'll be building one of 4 cars. I guess I could probably put up a I think I'll just wait. I'll build one of these 3 right here. Datsun 510. Yeah, 72 Datsun 510. 04 Chevrolet Corvette CR5. C5R. Whatever. It's probably the last of the good bodies before they started making them look like Ferrari. They look ridiculous now. They look like a damn Ferrari. Yeah. And I have a 68 Pontiac Firebird. So we can build one of those 3. I'll save the Volkswagen for last. The Beetle Bug is really cool. Unless you guys really want me to do the Beetlebug. Yeah. But yeah. Crane cams and Goodyear's the only two sponsors on this car. It has no tail lights, no front end. Nothing's painted on it. It's just molded in plastic. It's a basic car by Mattel. Not by Tyco, of course. Yeah. And that's about all I got for today. I mean, I can't think of anything. Yeah. Put this OS3 controller. I unhooked the wiring on it and put a Tyco wire on it. OS3. Yes. It's a real nice controller. Yeah. Real nice. And I guess that's about all I have. I need to restart the computer. Yeah. Alright. I will catch you guys tonight. And hope you guys like this show. And I'll be on about 7:15. And yeah. I'll catch you guys tonight then. Later.